the rounding. The last year we studied the rounding, as I remember, nearest 10, nearest 100, one place. Do you remember?
Yes.
How we're doing? Underline the digit. Underline the digit. Look next door. If it is 5 or greater, add one more. If it is less than 5, leave it for sure. Everything after is a 0, not more. For
I
example,
think I remember it.
if we have round 32.6 to the nearest integer or the nearest 10, so our
30.
No, it will be. Yeah, it doesn't
Our
change
number
because
is
it's
this
not
one.
more than 5.
If it says nearest integer, we have a decimal part here, yes? And I will check the
Yes.
number after the decimal point. So it is 6. 6 is greater than 5. Yes, 6 is greater
Yeah.
than 5. So I will add 1 here in 2. So it will become 33. And this one, this one is the rounded nearest integer, okay? Because this is decimal point and we are rounding to the integer number, okay?
Yes, and
Okay.
teacher, to the
Should
A
we
example,
write
when we
this?
ask for the nearest integer, how will you write it? Like, 32.5 or
Where, one more time?
at A, teacher, the example
Yes.
that is given, where
Yes.
it writes the nearest integer now that we
Yes.
rounded to 5. Are you going to write at example 32.5?
No. We didn't round to 5. I showed that this one, the decimal, fraction part, the decimal part is greater than 5, and I am rounding to 33, and it becomes an integer number. Decimal number, then it becomes
Okay.
integer, okay?
So if it's like 32.6, then it's 33.
Yes,
If
it
it's
is becoming.
32.4, it's 32.
So let me write like this. Because it says nearest integer, I'm rounding 32.6 to 33, okay?
Okay. Should we write
says-
this?
Yes, you have to write this. In B, it says to the nearest 10. So I'm checking my number again. 32, where is the tens? Which one is the tens? 3 is the tens. So I'm underlining the 3 and I'm checking the number before 3. What is the number before 3? It is
2.
2. Less than 5. So what we'll do, if it is less than 5, leave it for sure. So it will stay as 32. Okay? Let me do like this. 32.6 will become 32. Okay?
Teacher, do we have to write this?
Yes, you have to write it. I can show you this one on a number line. Look, first one, A. It says nearest integer. So I will write this number between the integers. So it is, this one is between 32, if 32 is here, and 33, the integers. 32.6, if this one is the middle, it will be here somewhere. 32.6, and it is nearer to 33, as you see. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if we are rounding this one to the nearest 10, tens, it says tens. So I will write this one on a number line as tens. So it's 30, between 30 and
Teacher, what's the title?
rounding. The title is rounding.
What about the page?
I don't know the page. I don't have the book with me now, for now.
Page
It will be
71.
teacher 30.
31.
31, page 31.
Teacher, it will be nearer to the 30 because it's
so, because look, but did you understand how I am writing?
Teacher, I found it in 71. How did you find it?
Teacher, what is that icon? 32.6 and then 33.
Here I am rounding the number to the, do you remember last year we were doing the rounding?
Yeah, I remember.
This, if it says rounding to the nearest 10, we were checking that one, rounding the numbers. We are writing an exact number. Like if it is 32, we are writing 30, or we are writing 33 according to the question. Okay, we are rounding the numbers. So here, the
What did you write here? 32.675.
75.
Look here.
I think that-
32.6.
I think that you are not listening me at all from the beginning.
Well, you're right.
I'm talking in another language that you cannot understand, or you are doing something else. Now you realize that we are in the lesson. Now, 32.6 is our number given. And A says, round this one to the nearest integer. And then,
It's gonna be
Nearest
33 because it's
integer.
not lower than 5.
okay, let me explain. Because it says to the nearest integer, I am checking the decimal part, the number after the decimal point, which is 6.
Yes,
This is greater than 5.
5, and that makes
Greater
it
than 5. And because of that, I am adding 1 here, and it becomes 33. And I'm
Yes,
adding this one to the nearest integer. And I show
and teacher,
the number line.
Yeah.
When I am drawing the number line, I am checking what is said here. It says integer. So I'm writing, because this is a decimal number, I'm
yes,
writing the integers. So this number is between 32 and 33, yes? And it is nearer to 33. And then I'm rounding to the 33. In B, it says nearest 10. Because it says nearest 10, I'm writing the tens. So it is 30 and 40. The number is between 30 and 40, the tens, yes? And then when I
Yes.
will, how I did this one here?
Well, you will round to 30 or 40.
This one, it won't be 32, it will be 30, okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
And now I will try to find 32, it will be here somewhere, yes? 32.6,
Yes.
and this one is nearer to 30, and then I will round this number to 30, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
Okay, there is a video about this. I will show.
I'm not done yet.
I'm almost done, teacher.
Yes, same.
Okay, okay. While you're writing, let me take the attendance then.
Okay.
Everybody is here, I think.
Are we 12? Yeah, okay. We're all in, teacher.
Okay. Only Elliot was a bit late, I think.
Yeah.
So,
Done.
okay.
I'm not done yet. Just a
Everyone
sec.
is here.
I'm done, teacher.
Yasin,
yes,
Nadine,
Here.
Tin,
yes.
Yes, yes.
Ronnie, Donnie, Marigona,
Here.
Olsa,
Here. I'm here,
Yes.
teacher.
Era Samir, Granite. Granite is not here.
I'm actually here, actually.
You're actually here, okay, Granite. And Era Suleimani,
Here.
okay. And Elliot, here, okay. So did you finish writing?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Let me
No,
take a
I didn't
screenshot and
finish.
then, like,
I'm on the first line, like A.
You should.
Okay. I'm waiting.
I'm done.
It's okay?
no, not yet. Just a second. I'm almost done.
Okay. So as you know, this is a block lesson. When the Zoom will finish, the lesson will be finished, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No problem.
Ready?
I'm trying like the second
I'm
line thing. I don't know her name. Teacher, what's the line thing's name?
Number line.
Okay.
Like, teacher, should we write that rounding, underline the digit, look next
You
door?
have it in your book. It has to be in your book.
Okay,
It's
okay.
from last year, I think. You have to know it.
Yes.
Which
I'm
page?
done,
are you?
teacher.
Page 71.
71.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. 71. Yes, you have explanations in the book, so you can check
Done.
from
Done.
now. Let's see the video. What is said here? We will not all of it. It's 10 minutes, but
You can
our
watch like
guys
5.
again the
Hi,
same
welcome to
guy.
Math Antics. To help time, or how many are used to represent amounts of things, like how many miles it is to the supermarket, or how many days until your birthday, or how many students went to your high school.
Is it just
How
like
many students went to my high school? Oh, about 2,000. Okay, but it wasn't exactly 2,000, was it? Well, no, it was more like 1,900. But it probably wasn't exactly 1,900 either, was it? Well, no, it was more like 1,860. All right, fine. 1,863. See what I did there? At first, the number used to represent the students at high school was a round number. It was a good estimate of how many students there were, but it wasn't exact. The next two numbers were a little closer to the truth, but they were still estimates. Only the final number represented the exact amount of students at the school. All three of the estimates are rounded versions of the exact count, but they have different levels of precision. 1,860 was the most precise estimate, and 2,000 was the least precise estimate. So rounding a number basically means making a less precise version of it. And as you can see, there's usually multiple ways to round a number depending on the level of precision that you need. A really good way to understand what's going on when you round a number is to look at a
lagging.
number line. Here's 1,863. If we want to round it to the nearest 10, we need to decide if it goes up to 1,870 or down to 1,860. But if we want to round it to the nearest 100, we need to decide if it goes up to 1,900 or down to 1,800. And if we want to round it to the nearest 1,000, we need to decide if it goes up to 2,000 or down to 1,000. And in each case, the decision was based on which round number was closer to the original exact number. But you might be wondering, why would we ever want to make a number less precise in the first place? What is rounding good for? Well, rounding numbers can often make them a lot easier to do calculations with. Like, it would be a lot easier to quickly add 300 and 500 than it would be to add 312 and 498. Or sometimes you just don't need very much precision. Like, you might not need to know that your dog weighs 55.83297 kilograms. 55.8 kilograms might be precise enough. And some numbers, like repeating decimals or irrational numbers, have to be rounded off, because we can't just keep writing decimal digits forever. Okay, now that you know what rounding is and why we do it, for the rest of this video, we're going to focus on learning the procedure we follow to round off a number.
Did we understand why we are rounding the numbers? And
Yes.
here it was very good example shown with this one, when they are asking how many students in high school. Firstly, he says that 2,000, and he's rounding. You know, you cannot count one by one. Yeah, we have. But if you will ask it more, it becomes the real number of students. It's 1,863. And here are different rounding parts. Here in the first one, it's rounded to the nearest 10. In the second one, it is rounded to the nearest 100. In the third one, it is rounded to the nearest 1,000. And with the number line, it showed. Here, the important part is which ones you're writing. You know, here, you're writing the tens. If you are rounding to the nearest 10, you need to write the number between the tens. If you are rounding to the nearest 100, you are writing the hundreds. Look, here it's written 100, 1,860, 1,870.
900.
Here it is written as 1,800, 1,900. In the third one, because we are rounding to the nearest thousands, only 1,000 and 2,000 is written. It's okay? Are we clear with this one?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now let's see what we have. here. It says round 3.462 to 1 decimal place. Decimal place. So we'll check the decimal.
3.4.
You could just say it's
3.4.
3.46.
So decimal place.
Or we can say it's
For
3.4.
example, if I will draw this one on a number line, because it says decimal place, I will take the first one. So it is, this number is between 3.4 and 3.5. Yes?
Yes.
So if I will divide the place between them, the distance between them, and this one will come like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's not
Yeah,
that
right there.
good,
Yeah.
but it will be 3.46 and 2. So it is nearer to the
3.5.
3.5. Because it says to the 1 decimal place, we are checking the decimal part, okay? We are not checking the integer part. It becomes 3.5, okay? You understand?
I didn't understand this.
I did. Can I do this?
Yes.
This is
It's
so
the-
easy.
Because
Yeah.
the 6 is it's 6, so it will
Yeah.
go to
So if you
2.5.
if you didn't understand with the number line, you will check the number here, it's given. Because it says decimal place, I will check, I'm underlining the 4 and I'm checking the number after 4. Because it says 1 decimal place. So we have only one, we have to write only one number after the decimal point. So I am underlining the 4 and I'm checking the number after 4. What is it? It is 6. It is greater than, because it is greater than 5, this one is rounded to 5 and I'm writing only 3.5. Okay?
Okay, I get it now. Yeah.
Now in this example, look this number. Round to the nearest whole number. Whole
That's
number.
10.
7 or 6?
Yes, so this number we need to write, because it says whole number, we need to write between 6 and 7. And it is 6.5. It's in the middle. It is same distance to 6 and same distance to 7.
But it will be 7.
In these cases, you are taking
Yeah.
a bigger one. So 6.
So it's 7.
5 will be rounded to 7, okay?
Okay.
Are you writing them or you have them in your book?
No.
written?
Teacher,
I
I'm
am
writing
writing
them.
them.
Because-
Okay, I can wait.
Okay, can I do one example?
Yes,
do I have
yes.
to do
When
both?
your friends will finish, I will have more examples.
Wait, just gonna do one of them.
Okay.
Because it's very simple.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a very simple topic
Yeah.
and a useful one too.
Last year we had lots of problems with this in your exams. Do you remember?
I didn't
No.
have a problem.
It wasn't that simple. I have your exams still.
But it always happens. We say that it is, and then in the exam, it happens.
Then
every
in
single
the exam, we
time.
don't know what's 1 plus 0. Like,
Yeah.
It becomes,
The stress,
It's 0,
the
dude. It's
stress
not that
comes
hard.
to us.
yes.
25.
It's okay. Did you finish writing?
I'm not done yet. Just a second,
Yes.
please. I'm almost done.
Okay.
Or
Okay, I'm waiting.
Wait.
Is again everyone here in the lesson?
yeah,
Yes.
12 participants. We're 11 students in the
Right.
class.
Okay, great.
What happened to the new kid? He's gone at once.
Yeah, you haven't been in like never.
We didn't even meet.
Not even
Who?
once.
The new kid, you told us we have like a new
He is
one.
not studying in our school. I mean,
Oh,
But
he
why
got
does
out.
this keep happening? Last
Yeah.
year it happened twice.
Yeah. It was like with a kid.
I don't know, there is something in your class.
Oh,
Our
Only
class
we
is
do
legit
bad magic
haunted.
to others.
Our class is legit haunted. The last student of our class was Yasin, 4th
I
grade.
know.
No, Liana.
Yeah,
Oh,
Liana.
Liana.
And Liana
she
went
got
this
out.
year. She's not in Macedonia, I think, yeah?
She's
No.
in not in Macedonia anymore. She's in Danimark.
Mm-hmm.
She's doing pretty good there. Like
They are going to
hate-
normal school?
No,
no,
I
she's
don't think
first
so.
going like to learn the language better,
Sir,
and then she.
Teacher, can you go back? I wasn't finished.
Okay.
I am 4, 6. Let me do this.
I'm done.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, you can move on, teacher.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm done.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
what do
here we have an
here?
example. Let's do it together with you, Genti. You wanted to solve a question. Let's read the question. Kim buys some balls of wool to knit a jumper. The pattern says she needs 4.2 balls of wool. A ball of wool for Kim's jumper costs $3.20.
Yeah, what is the cost
The
of
wool for the
Kim
jumper.
Kardashian.
Wait,
But
If you
she
do it,
needs
$3.
4.2 balls. So that
It's
means
4.2
4
balls.
big ones and 2 small ones, right?
Can you? No. It's 4 point and not half of a wall, but it's a bit from a new ball. So can we buy a 4.2 ball?
No.
So one
Yeah.
ball.
It's
No, it
possible,
will
For
but
be
example,
four.
So we cannot buy 4 point. We can. I will go to shop and I will say, "Can you give me 4.2 balls of the wool?" It cannot.
How?
because
cannot
like
be.
it's
So we need to round this number. We need to round this number.
So it's 4.
You will say 4.
But if it is
Yeah.
Yeah, it will
4,
say
it
4
will
because,
not
like-
be. But if it is 4, look here, it doesn't say to which one to round
It's
the
5.
number.
It's 5.
It is 4. If you will take 4 balls of wool, it will not be enough for your jumper, for Kim's jumper.
5.
So we need to round this one to the bigger one, which will.
Which is 5, yeah.
Do you
yeah,
remember?
but like, how do you know that it's not enough?
Did you understand how it goes? Because I'm
Yeah.
jumper and I need 4.2.
So 5.
But I cannot buy 4.2 balls.
But teacher, the question is how much will it
Okay.
cost?
Okay, so
we didn't finish.
we need 4 balls first of
We
all.
need 5 balls.
5. Okay, so that
Yeah, but
means
teacher,
a ball costs 3.20.
So 5
So
times
it's 16.
3.
5 times 3.20. Yes.
Okay. So what will be this one? Firstly, we'll multiply this one as a whole number. Do you remember? 5 times 32. 5 times 2 will be
10.
10. 1 in mind. 5 times 3.
15.
It's
15.
it's
1 in mind.
16. It's
Yes.
And
$16.
now we
yeah.
have one number after the decimal point. I will go back for 1.
Yeah. So you
It
put
will
it.
become 16.0.
Yes, so it's 16.
So it is 16.
$16.
What is the cost of the wool for the jumper? It will be $16. Did you understand why we are not
Yeah.
rounding to 4?
I didn't understand it.
I can't.
I want to knit a jumper, and I need 4 balls and one bit more. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
But because of that, I cannot buy from shop, from a wall, a bit of it. If I am buying, I will buy all the ball because they are not
Yeah.
only some of it. Yes, because of that, I am rounding 4.2 to 5. I will buy 5 balls to finish my jumper. Yes. So
Oh, okay, got it. Okay.
one ball of wool is 2.20 or 3.2, sorry. I am multiplying 5 times 3.2, and I have to give $16 to the,
To buy 5 balls, yeah.
yes, okay, it's understandable?
Yeah, I understood it. Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Teacher, I
let's
took a screenshot and then I'll write it because I didn't.
Okay,
I wrote it, teacher.
okay.
Me too.
Bye. Bye, I'm saying. Now,
Bye.
we have
Round the
some
nearest 10.
examples. This is
Round.
again from your book, page 72. We'll do this one, A, C, E, F here. B, D will be your homework.
Teacher, B and D are not visible.
You
Yes,
have in
they-
your book, guys. Are you
Yep,
listening?
they're not
or-
visible.
Or are you doing something else? While
Bro,
I'm
the
talking
teacher,
here, I don't know.
Yasin, these
Teacher-
one not are visible. We're gonna do them in the class. The other ones, we're gonna do them from the book.
Yeah,
We're
it's
gonna
in
take
your
them from the book. Yeah.
Teacher, are we gonna do like one person does A, one person does B, one
Yes,
person?
yes, yes.
Can I do one?
Yes, so Edwin
wanna
is
do one.
first. Ronnie is C.
Can I please do one?
Era Suleimani will do the E, and one more. Yasin will do F.
Okay.
Now, it says round this to the nearest 10. Yes, Aiden? Nearest 10. Aiden?
Is gone.
He wanted to
Here?
listen.
Maybe a poor
Who's
connection.
talking like that?
This is a heap.
Okay, let's do C. Ronnie?
Me.
Ronnie?
So what about me?
Okay, we
But you
couldn't,
where are
didn't
you?
talk.
we couldn't
Huh?
hear you, Aiden. Are you here?
I was mute. I was mute.
Okay. Now, Aiden,
so-
how it will be?
I don't know, teacher. It's so hard. It
Really?
might be. It might be 70.
79, dude.
79.
I know.
Yes, can you tell me? I will draw the number line.
Probably.
And
It says round it to the nearest 10.
yes, so which
So,
numbers I will write?
It's 80.
It's 80. Between which numbers I will write it?
From
70 and 80.
Okay,
Yeah.
Aiden will answer 70
to 80.
because it says 10. It will be between
Yeah.
70 and
It's
80.
78. It's above 5, so it's gonna be 80.
So it's gonna be 80. So 70
Teacher,
to 80.
teacher,
Yes?
I have to go somewhere right now, so
But
can I go?
can you wait 9 more minutes? It's not, it will finish at 9 minutes.
Teacher, I can't because it's like something for my passport and shit and things.
Okay, okay.
Okay, bye, teacher.
Bye. Ronnie, now I will draw again the number line. And it will be, you're muted, Ronnie, if you want to talk. We cannot hear you.
I was writing.
Okay, so between which numbers I will draw it? I will write it. Because it says nearest 10.
Hello.
Hello, yes. It,
Can
again,
you hear me?
yeah.
Okay.
Yes, what will be?
This 343.
Yep.
It would be 340.
340. We will draw a number line between 340 and 350.
150.
So 343 will be nearer to 340. So we'll round this number to 350, I'm saying, but it's not 50, it's 40. Yes, okay, thank you, Ronnie. Era?
Okay, so 198, it will be 200. So it will be 100. Write 100.
One,
No.
but we are
Nearest 10.
to the nearest 10. So I will write 190 and 200
Oh,
will
okay,
be the other
sorry.
one.
Yeah, okay, sorry.
So it will be somewhere
Yeah.
here.
Yasin, I keep hearing someone in your background.
And
It's
here
his father.
it's nearer to 200 and we'll run this
Oh,
number
okay.
to 200, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I do
Okay,
mine?
Yasin?
Why Yasin? Why not me?
We have
I
here
don't know.
1,432.9, but we
So
need
it will be,
round to the nearest 10.
yes. So 1,430
Yes, 1,430,
and 1,440.
1,440. Yes, and it will be nearer to,
1,430.
yes. So the number is here 1,432.9. Let's see, it's here, and it is, as you can see, it's nearer to 1,430. My handwriting started to be like Japanese.
You should have seen Esat's writing teacher. 100%
Arabic.
original Arabic writing with this small pencil.
I don't know, in this, I mean, pen tablet, it started to get like out of my control. It's like, did we understand?
Teacher, yes.
Yeah.
it's-
Yes, teacher, it's pretty easy.
Because
I
last
did
year
the homework, by the way.
Last year we lost lots of lessons with this, if you remember.
yeah.
So this year
I
I will
didn't.
revise them. Okay.
I think
I thought-
Era didn't understand it very
Yeah.
clear, but
And Marigona.
Last year,
Yeah.
yeah, they had problems,
Yeah, me too. I don't understand it really clear.
and I hope that this year it will be better. But you need
Teacher,
to give yourself, okay?
teacher, you can give Era one more question because we have still 5 minutes.
Yes, let's see what we have next here. Round this to the nearest
Teacher,
whole
again,
number.
here we can do B and E for homework.
Yes, also here you have.
Esat, do you want to get killed? How about that?
Okay, teacher,
not
can
that-
try and do A or B
It's
or
not
C.
that big job, you know, it's 2 seconds. 1 second for first one, the second one for the second one.
get out of the laptop and kill me if you want.
I'm
Okay,
ready.
Marigona, let's do with you a,
Sure, I don't understand.
which numbers, okay, I'm asking you some questions now. Which numbers are whole numbers? Which numbers are decimal numbers? Can you tell me, can you give me some examples of whole number and decimal number? Marigona? Whole, do you know
Teacher, I don't know.
whole?
No.
Yes, Donnie, give me an example of whole number and a decimal number.
A whole number.
Yes.
What about 8?
Yes, 8 is a whole number. What about a decimal number?
8.4.
Sure.
8.4. Great. So, Donnie, here in A, we have 4.3, and we need to round this one to the nearest whole number. So I will round
4.
to 4. Can you tell me between which numbers, which whole number is 4.3?
What? Oh, it's between 4 and 5.
Yes, it's between 4 and 5. These are the whole numbers. And between these numbers, 4 and 5, we have the decimal number. And I will try to find 4.3, 1, 2, 3. If it's here somewhere. Okay, so as you see, this one is nearer to 4. So I will round this one to the nearest whole number, which is 4. It's okay?
Yep.
Yes.
Teacher, one more question before the lesson ends. What
Yes.
page was the homework? of the book?
72.
Page
Page
72. Yeah.
I did the homework.
Dayan and Dayan.
Okay, great. You need to send it in the Moodle.
Yes, Moodle.
Okay, I'll send it today or tomorrow.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I try and
Okay,
do
I'm
one,
coming to
please?
kill you.
Yes, yes, Era, let's do it. In C, we have
Okay,
48.9. So this one is
40 and 50.
Guys, look
and
at
it
me.
will be near
no,
to
don't
50 because-
look, wait. Don't go that much. 40 and 50. It doesn't say nearest 10. It says nearest whole number. So the first whole number is this part. 48. Okay. And the next one will be 49. If it's set nearest 10, you would do 40 and 50. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now 48.9, it's here somewhere.
Yeah.
And then it is nearer to
Yeah.
So, teacher, is this one page 73? This one?
No,
no, it's the
72.
same. It's in
So
yeah.
it's the same page,
Okay.
everything here.
yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
exercise 1 and 2. Actually, yeah.
Okay, did we understand?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah,
We
kind
have
Let me
one
do-
more minute.
Can we
Also,
leave
let's
now?
do D. We didn't solve any question.
Okay. So D is 23.55, and if we have
Yes.
23, we will round 23 with 40, with 24. Sorry.
24. The whole numbers are 23 and 20.
Yeah.
20.55
And this
will
will
be here
be
somewhere.
somewhere in the middle. Yeah.
Yeah. So it is nearer to
24.
24. So 23.55 will be rounded to 24. Okay.
Teacher, can you go also one page back just to do also that as a screenshot?
Okay.
Because I need to know what I don't have to do and what I
Well,
have to
teacher,
do.
we have like 20 more seconds.
And then
Okay.
we'll finish. See you.
Have a
Right,
nice
Obama.
weekend.
Weekend.
Have a nice weekend, teacher. Bye.
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 Have a nice weekend.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a
Bye.
weird one.
Bye.
Bye.